from 50 students taking examinations in mathematics, physics and chemistry, 37 passed in mathematics, 24 physics and 43 in chemistry. At most 19 passed in mathematics and physics. At most 29 passed in mathematics and chemistry together, and at most 20 passed in physics and chemistry. The largest possible number that could have passed in all three examinations. Let us see. We have mathematics, the total number of elements, students who passed in the mathematics, and total number of students who passed in physics, and total number of elements who passed in chemistry. And let us see, if I consider this, what is the given? Let us see. From the 50 students, that means the total number of students is given. Let me write it there. Total number of students is 50. From there, the different data is given. Physics and chemistry. In the physics and chemistry, we have how many students passed and how many students passed in maths, physics, like that. So 37 passed in mathematics. So shall I write it as a 37? Yes. Physics, how many? 24 in physics, and at most 24 in physics and 43 in chemistry. 43 in chemistry. And they have given at most 19 passed in mathematics and physics. Means what? At most means what? There should be maximum 19 people. At most means it should be n of mathematics and physics, n of p intersection this. The common portion should be 19 maximum at most. There can be only 18 students pass or 17 students pass, but maximum how many? Only 19. Though I can say that there should not be more than 90, should be less than 19 only. Can be equal to 19, no problem. At most means less than or equal to. Is it okay? Noted. At most means less than or equal to the given number. Similarly, at most in what subject? At most in 29 in mathematics and chemistry. So M intersection chemistry C, at most 29. Similarly, at most in physics and chemistry is 20. So n of physics and chemistry intersection part is equal to 20. We have given this, and they are asking the largest possible number that could have passed all the three examinations. So simple formula we need to use. What is it? N of P intersection M intersection C. They are asking how many passed. At most means we need to find this, right? What is the maximum number that could have passed all three subjects together? Those are like toppers, right? So we need to use the formula. What is it? When we have a 3 A union B union C part, A, B, C together, we use this formula, right? What is it? You need to remember the formula. The formula goes like this. N of M union P union C equals N of M plus N of P plus N of C minus, after this what will come? Minus intersection part, 2 together. N of M intersection P minus N of P intersection C minus N of C intersection M. M intersection C or C intersection M does not matter, right? So we simply write it as a this, and after that what will get? Plus N of ABC, instead of ABC we have M, C, P and C. I hope you remember this formula. So what are the things given? Will substitute. But here they did not give what is the N of M intersection P. They have given the at most value, that means the less than part. So if it is a 19 directly we would have used it, but it is like less than or equal to 90, so we need to use the less than or equal to part here also. So that we will get a less than or equal to part. So what we will get? We have the total number of students in the examination, given examination, how many are there? 50 is equal to, as of now we will take 19, then we will find the estimates part. So N of M, we will substitute directly, 37 plus 24 plus 43 minus this 19 minus 29 minus 20 and required, like utmost part. So what is it? n of m intersection P intersection C. Okay. So this is our calculation part. So if I calculate it, what will get? 50 is equal to 30 plus 20, 50 plus 4, 90 and 104 minus 20, 20, 40, 50, 9 plus 9, 18, 68 plus the required n of m intersection P intersection C. Since these are the at most part, so we will have to take this as actually not exactly 68, but these are like this, less than or equal to 68, some numbers 65, maybe 60, like that. Okay, as of now just remember that concept. So when I subtract and all, so what you will get? This part, if after sending all these values, what I will get is 100 minus 60, 40 minus 8, 32 plus 4, 36. So 36 plus n of m intersection P intersection C. If I send this side, what I will get? 50 minus 36, which is nothing but 14. So is equal to n of m intersection P intersection C. But this is not equal part, right? But we need to find the at most. That means the 14 is the maximum number who might have passed in all the examination. So I can say that this is the at most part, not equal. So at most how many students pass the examination is 14.